Tiller Money Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Tiller Money and alternative financial tools are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Tiller Money is a unique personal finance tool designed for those who prefer the flexibility of spreadsheets over traditional finance apps. It automatically imports financial transactions from bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, allowing users to fully customize their budgeting and expense tracking. Unlike static spreadsheets, Tiller continuously updates financial data, eliminating the need for manual entry. Key features include automated transaction categorization, customizable budgeting templates, detailed financial reports, and the ability to create personalized financial dashboards. Tiller Money is ideal for spreadsheet users who want full control over their finances without being locked into the rigid structure of traditional budgeting apps. It's perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach to money management and want to customize their budgeting system to fit their specific needs. Compared to apps like Mint or YNAB, which have fixed interfaces, Tiller gives users complete flexibility to track finances in their own way. The biggest strengths of Tiller Money are its automation, flexibility, and spreadsheet-based approach. Since all data is stored in Google Sheets or Excel, users can customize reports, add formulas, and create financial models tailored to their goals. It also supports multiple financial accounts, making it great for tracking income, expenses, debt, and investments in one place. Unlike cloud-based apps that offer limited customization, Tiller allows users to build their own budgeting system from the ground up. However, there are some downsides. Tiller requires a paid subscription, and while it offers powerful automation, users still need to be comfortable working with spreadsheets. It doesn't have a dedicated mobile app, so users must rely on Google Sheets or Excel on their devices. Additionally, while it integrates with most financial institutions, occasional bank syncing issues can occur, requiring manual adjustments. Overall, Tiller Money is an excellent choice for those who love spreadsheets and want full control over their financial data. If you prefer a more automated experience with built-in budgeting tools, Mint or Pocket Guard might be better. And if investment tracking is your focus, Personal Capital is a solid alternative. Check out the links in the description for more details.